Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, but today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me video. So let's just jump into the video. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell notifications to know every time I post a video. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Please follow me on my Instagram to get all the pictures. So yeah, let's get started. So I decorate my house based on colors. I learned it from a very close friend of mine, and her name is Radhika. And Radhika, if you're watching this, thanks a lot. And this is totally an inspiration from her only. So I've decorated the home in blue and green decor, and so these are the some of the pieces, and I didn't change my curtains the last time. It was the same. There is a lot of cleaning and a lot of decluttering that has to be done. So let's just get into the fast mode. Let's begin. I regularly use coolant to clean the TV unit and a glass. So if you want, I will link the products in the description box below so you can check them out. And also, if you want any inspiration to start cleaning, or if you're wanting to clean your room for a very long time, what are you doing? Just get up and switch on my video and start cleaning with me. Also, COVID has taught us a lot about keeping ourselves clean and our environment clean. And cleaning comes naturally to me. It is like a therapy for me. It keeps me calm. But for most of people, it may not be like that. So, for those people, I think this video will be helpful. I clean my home in sections. First, I take my TV area, I clean it, I try and decorate it to a bit, and then I move on to the next area. So I've almost cleaned the TV unit and the desk. So I'll just start with the basic decorations with some of the pieces. I arrange them and rearrange them and see how I want it. And then I move on to the next section. This month I am going in for a bright orange decor, and so I'm just adding pieces with whatever orange that I have in each and every area. And also I'm going to remove all the blue decor from this section, and I'm just going to clean it and arrange them with orange decor. I'm so excited for the bright orange season. All the decorative items are from Amazon or from Home Center. I will give the links to the products in the description box below. Also, I have a video on 10 Amazon home decor products which I love, and if you want to check that video, I'll also give that link in the description box below so you can check them out, guys. This was an empty wall, so I added some nails to it and added this decor piece. Now I'm going to place some candle holders. And this video was filmed way back in October, November, if I'm not wrong. And due to some positive changes in my life, I didn't really have time to sit and edit the video. I'm really sorry for that. Also, if you want to know what those positive changes were, please follow me on my Instagram for my regular updates on my life. I really like this fridge cover, which is like a beautiful peacock with blue and green in it. I'm just removing it now, and I'm just going to clean the fridge. I couldn't really find any good orange fridge cover, so I just went with this white one, which had some shades of light yellow and light pink in it, and this works well. And these are some of the magnets, fridge magnets, which we got from places we went together as a couple. Now removing these fake green leaves, and I'm going to add some fall orange leaves, which I again got from Amazon. I have already cleaned them and I'm just arranging them properly for the next season. So this is the final look of my living room with the orange decor. As you can see, I have changed the curtains as well. Which one did you like better, the blue decor or this orange one? Please leave them in the comment section below. I would really love to know about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification, and do follow me on my Instagram, and also hit the like button and let me know in the comment section which was your favorite section, and it will mean a lot to me. Please do check out my other playlist on home decor, beauty and skincare. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration to clean your home and decorate it. Until next time, it's bye from Nivi. Bye bye.